PDF Butler has always helped teams generate perfect Salesforce documents in seconds. Now, we're taking it a step further. Introducing Document Extractor. Turn PDFs into Salesforce records automatically, with no manual data entry required. What makes it different? It's built for Salesforce. Capture document data, update records, and trigger workflows where your team already works. Criteria-based automation. You set the rules, and it decides what happens next based on your business logic. Built to scale. Process 10 documents or 10,000 without added effort. Let's walk through a real example. An insurance claim for kitchen fire damage. A claim comes in, a PDF or a scanned document is uploaded into Salesforce. In this case, an insurance claim detailing kitchen damage caused by a fire. Document Extractor goes to work. AI reads the document instantly, capturing key fields, policy details, claimant information, damage description, and more. It understands the layout and context, not just the raw text. Rules are evaluated. Based on the extracted data, predefined business rules determine what needs to happen, what record to create, which fields to populate, and what workflows to trigger. A Salesforce record is created automatically. In seconds, a fully populated claim record appears in Salesforce. Every relevant field is filled in with no manual input from your team. Documents come in, data gets captured, Salesforce workflows move forward. See Document Extractor in action and request a demo today.